Ja, 2 skroefies bygekom. Ja. Dit is 3/4 now. Now this is a backboard. Okay, measure. Now we're going to measure the center points, cross over, get the center point. Let's mark the center point. Just use the screw somewhere, make sure it's straight. It's important to keep it straight. Okay, now your bracket size, and then you get half of that. So easy way to do it, let's do this. Do it like that. Put the bracket down. Bring the tape over. Bring the tape over.
The bracket.
Yeah, just take the tape over.
Is the size of the tape.
Yeah, settle just, but the tape is showing it nicer. Okay. So if you can see your bracket space, so if you check there's 8.
8.
And you check 8 from this side.
Yeah.
And you get your line, you get it square. That's about where it is.
Then we
measure the level like that. That's on 7. Roughly a little bit less. Okay, and then the same on this side. Guys, levels is very important, huh?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
Okay.
Your shade.
You just make a mark of your nail, keep it flat where it is.
Sure.
Okay, other side. That's it, here's your positions. And now you can secure it. Still doing it old school. Guys, but you get yourself that pins for your drill and you drill it in quickly. Zip, 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 zip.
We have it. All pins already.
Okay, before you tie the one side, make sure you tie the other side also. Don't fasten the one side too much.
Okay. Yes.
You need to fasten it like that in the other one, and then you can shift it if it moved to the right position. Okay, leave it like that. Move your bracket. You can still move it, not tying it to secure it. Now you get your levels perfect. And then you can tie the one side and then you move the other side and you tie it. Don't worry about the other side. First tie the one side up to your right level. Now you can just move the other side because it will shift still if you're wrong, and then you can secure that. Always when you do that, press on your drill, it will not roll that down. That's it. Perfect. Okay, one thing on that now, you need to screw drive it in. When you do a wall plug like that, you can nail it in with a hammer. If your hole was drilled proper, nail it now with your hammer. You don't need to screw it in. Just not all the way, leave it like that. Now get your other level that side. Now while you do that, mark your position now, drill your hole. mark it. Okay, now you can drop it. If you follow this way, guys, you can't go wrong. A lot of them try to get both holes level. And that's where you get the problem. Remember the dust. Next time try and get yourself a vacuum cleaner. You don't need to screw it in. Check now. Gonna nail it. That's what
I just want to level it.
yeah, first get your level.
I level it like this first.
Check your level before you do that. Okay, press your board while you're doing that in that level. Don't just assume it's level. Because sometimes you get a little movement, especially if you drill the hole too big. Hold it like that while you nail it in now. Go. Tire. That's it. No, you don't drill that, guys. That sure. Easy way to work it, take your pliers. Before you do that, take your pliers and string it like that. Bring that pliers here quickly. Put it on the side of a cable tie and then stretch it, stretch it, stretch it. Stretch it. They do this so you can tie it like your hands. You'll feel it's clipping, clipping. You hear that? Now you can cut it. Now it's sharp. Also make sure this is center. See, there's nothing on top and it looks neat. And now it's your ONT. Also very important, the ONT, don't force it onto that clips. I see a lot of photos we're taking, that clips is broken off because the oaks are pressing it too hard. That's it. Perfect. Now in the corner, just so make your entry point from inside to the outside. Okay, number one. Now we also from outside. Okay, that's the entry point from inside. Now we're going to do a hole saw. Okay, that's our entry point. Okay, bring the grommet, guys. Grommet will come through the wall.
Does it cover from inside?
Just wait, just wait. Just want to turn that up as well. Okay.
Okay, silicone all around.
Okay.
Sharp.
Sharp. Now we put it in.
Well, what's the
Wait, wait. Bopa.
Okay, Wopa that side. After we finish, guys, we can just wipe that silicone nice. Yeah.
Check that silicone. Check that silicone. Check that silicone.
Yeah.
Okay, that's perfect. Now we just wipe the silicone all around so it's sealing it all nice. You seal it all around nicely.
छोरा cable.
Nice one. Nice honor.
Wat vind jy?
That's it. This will be our position where we're going to terminate our fiber. And then from there, it will run all the way to the pole position that side.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Start aan hè.
Okay, that's enough. Now you can screw it in.
It's hard out.
Is it gripping?
Jy nie 'n dunner boortjie nie.
Dit is te gaan.
Now we're going to put a dead end on. The anchor bolt is fitted. Grommet is in, so we're going to start feeding the fiber. Okay, feed the fiber.
Kun jy mataga?
Okay, take the fiber, guys.
Let him feed it again. Push.
Chava Bichan.
Who's a boy?
Sharp.
It's convenient.
Yes, I just want to show on the video. So we take it out that side.
So from now onward, it's compulsory to use that lens, right?
That's the way to use it. That's the way from the beginning. Much easier. And it looks neat.
Really. And then after that, we put silicone around the blades.
Yes. Okay, so while pulling all the slack through, we roll the slack on the other side.
Push it mataga ra.
Ay, ito po yun. O tla plan la sa ka pise kana kana.
Apa?
Ombi. Musebele ras legacy kana ka.
Okay, guys, now let's measure the slack and get the hammer already. Then you do the saddles one shot. We need to bring the cable all around this side, all the way to that position, where the ONT will be fitted. To even spacing. Now let the nail sit downwards. Otherwise you're not going to nail it in. Somebody that side just pull the cable straight while he's doing that. And you can work better. Always close the saddle with your fingers. If you don't knock the cable, you knock your fingers. Then you'll not miss again. Okay, then we're going to bring the fiber down this side. Okay, before we go on that side, let's do this side quickly. Just finish here.
Better for me. Then I finish 500 into.
Put that one a little bit upper. Put it a little bit upper.
Lagi.
Fuck up.
Mankara situ.
Fuck up.
Tangara.
Fuck up. Until then I fall into. Fuck up.
Lagi bona dinti ndi yaphezulu. Ututhi yaphezulu.
Okay.
Okay, let's check check it like quickly that side. These are our brackets. Fiber running up.
UPS. Like that.
Yeah. Just show the ferrule there quickly. Always, just show it to me. Always make sure your dust cover is on your. Just show me the fiber point. Fiber ferrule is always close because there is a very crucial part on the fiber station. These are installed on top of your brackets. Make sure your pins in your bracket is sharp, it's not broken.
There's a pipe here that will measure with.
On the ground.
Oh, come on.
The brackets. The routing of the cable.
Oh, yeah.
I just put a nice bend, make a nice bend there, and then out and no saddle in the bend. Take it a little bit more to the side, more to the side, more to the left.
Right to the left.
Now the saddle. There we go. One finger is. We'll manage the slack now. As soon as it goes out, we'll manage the slack.
So,
Don't have it on.
Lagi. Ke betsa mo tlase le.
It's fine.
Go in le selekanyana ye.
Maar oplet you.
Ja, jy moet net so, jy moet nie te tension wees nie, jy moet net mooi wees.
You must think outside the box while you're in the box.
That's well said. While you're inside the box.
Think outside.
Ja, daai is vir die klein mannetjie. Okay, that's the whole install. Okay, just spacing, perfect. Fiber comes this side. Okay, that one we just need to pull the slack nice down. This one. Just bring that slack out nice. Then we go down.
Like it loose there.
Slack.
Dis op vir 'n kinkie so.
It's just like
Ja, hy's sharp so. Ja. Don't manhandle the cable, always wrap it little bit like motorbike style around the fiber. Just wrap it like this. That's it. Remember, if you manhandle the cable, you damage the fiber. Okay, and never go into the eye. If you see that, bring your fiber down there with your fingers. Bring that fiber down, then leave that fiber with your thumb. Yes, now you can.
other way around.
I say 100.
Okay, tension there, Bichan.
It's fine.
Don't tell us all. Sakis.
Okay, los hom.
Is it fine?
That's perfect.
Ja, hy's net reg.
That's exactly what you want.
Yeah.
We tshwara teng mo tlase mo.
Okay, now we're tensioning the fiber to the pole.
What shoes do you have there?
Mosha pega zigzag and baraka speed to change the two.
Now always make sure you hook your dead end. If it's the closest to the pole, it will be at the bottom, and if further from the pole, will always be on top of the bracket.
Mosha pega 8 ya gago e try tsim panak.
Guys, very important when you do that slack management on the cable now. Always tie it with insulation tape to keep the cable together. Because as soon as you're going to add and add and add on that pole, you will not know which cable is which cable. Terug, Nico.
Sheba silicone sa tlhagala ka go kgona ka right side ka yi.
Okay.
Starak, sakis.
Die vinger weg. Oh.
Sharp.
Sharp.
Yeah, that's enough. That's number one.
Okay, bring hom. Ons net oontie. Dust cover off. Always make sure to put it straight. If you wiggle it, you can break the ferrule when you put it inside. That's it. Click. Plug it in. Feel it. Push down. There's it. That's slack. What slack is that? Your fiber? No, that's a fiber. Just bring it nicely to the back. Open that window for us there quickly again, please. Let's just have a nice view on the install. Check if you do this now. Let's do this. You can see your board is center. Let's check that. That's perfect. Just check your lines of the wall. You can see your installation is right. Do a spirit level. Let's see how close you are.
How close you are.
You will be spot on.
Get close.
That's nice. You will not be 100%, but you're there.
At least 90.
Now we're going to do a power meter reading test.
Have we done a long time ago?
That's perfect.
Yes, I'm listening. I can hear
It's
you.
1490 nanometers. Always remember that, nah?
Yeah.
It must be 1490 nanometers you're seeing on top.
And let me put the light. Let me put the light.
See there on top.
Yeah.
1490. Must always be
1490.
1490.
Yeah.
You can't do 1310 or 1550.
Yeah,
1490. And if your reading is that, that's perfect.
And then
Not perfect, but it's nice.
Mooi man, that's it.
And that's a proper installation. That's our inside. Cable goes up.
What's missing is Nico.
What's wrong?
What's the barcode?
How do you mean barcode? Yeah, at the bottom, yes. And then that's the entry. Barcode also straight at the bottom. So this is the guys, don't stress about the PP. This is training, we don't worry about safety now. But this is a training session in real scenario. When you go by outside, you'll do it the right way. But congrats guys, nice installation.